Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a protein snack. We're going to make a protein snack called Peaches and Cream actually, which is a very clean, very easy, travels well, perfect snack for during your active weight loss phase. This is a fantastic weight loss snack. Plenty of protein, tastes amazing, and you're gonna feel like you're having a treat. But listen, every week we post a brand new recipe video right here to this channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video when it gets uploaded. In addition to that recipe video, we also post videos that feature the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, how we're using them, and why we're using them. So make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a notification. Okay, so let's get this made. What I've already done is I'm using the refrigerator ice, so I have 12 ice cubes from my refrigerator here, and then I filled the small blender all the way up to the 12-ounce mark. Now, this is also, I said this travels really well, so this is also something you can absolutely do in your shaker cup, and you can take it with you anywhere you go. But this is what we're going to start with. Today I'm going to make it in the blender because I'm home and I like it. And so what we're going to use to make this is our peach mango flavored beverage drink mix. So this is a 70 calorie, 15 gram of protein, 0 sugar protein snack that you can get. It's in powder form. You can take it with you anywhere you go, whether you take it in this canister or whether you put it in like a little zipper bag or a little Rubbermaid container to take with you somewhere. So we're going to use this and to give it the cream in the peaches and cream, we're going to use our vanilla protein drink mix. And guys, remember the protein drink mix here is so much more than just a protein powder. First of all, it tastes fantastic, but it's also loaded with the nutrients that your body needs to feel and function its best. So we're not just giving you protein here. We're not just, putting stuff in the belly, but we're actually feeding and fueling the body literally on the cellular level. So these are the two things we're going to use. This is a very customizable thing that you can make. You can make this anywhere from, what I'm going to make today is about 22.5 grams of protein. I'm making it for myself, so that's my right number. You want to make sure you know what your personal protein number is so that you can figure out, you and your coach can figure out how many scoops of what you want to put into yours. So mine's going to be 22.5 grams today, but you can make this up to 30 grams and beyond, depending on what your personal protein numbers are. So what we're going to do, like I said, I've got my ice softening in the water already, so it'll blend up nice and easy, and it won't be icy. It'll be creamy like a cream soda or some creamy kind of drink. And I'm going to use 2 scoops of the protein beverage drink mix. And again, this is the peach mango flavor, so put that on top of the water and ice. Always you want to make sure that you put the water and ice in your blenders first, so that you don't lose chunks of it getting stuck to the side of your blender. And now I'm going to use 1 scoop of the protein drink mix. One of the ways that you can really customize this is using 2 scoops. If you use 2 scoops, now you're going to have a 30 gram of protein snack, which if I'm out for a while or away from home, I will very likely do that just because it holds me longer. But today I'm going to do 1 scoop of the protein drink mix. It gets confusing. We have the protein drink mix and protein beverage mix. Very different products, but very similar names. Okay, so now we have all of this in our blender. We're going to go ahead and get that blended up. And as the same as with the shakes, the longer you leave it in the blender, the creamier your drink is going to get. So if you like to have it more slushy and more icy, first of all, start with a little bit more ice and less water. Change that ratio a little bit, and then don't blend it for as long. But I'm going to blend this probably for a good 45 to 60 seconds and make it nice and smooth and creamy. Okay, I thought I was done, but when I shut off the blender, I heard ice hit the blade. So if you hear ice moving around in your blender and you want a creamy shake, then you're not quite done yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend this just a little bit more. Okay, here we go. And now I'm gonna show you the texture we get. Here we are. Oh, that's just perfect. Cheers. And listen guys, that's really all there is to it. Please tap the like button. That helps us out more than you know. And also let us know in the comments what kind of videos you have enjoyed seeing so we can do more of that, what kind of videos you'd like to see, so hopefully we can get those addressed for you. We do pay attention to the comments, and that way we can get in here the things that you would like to see and learn about and what questions you personally have. So thank you for joining us today. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.